Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please like, share and subscribe. Before I return and subscribe, you're most definitely welcome. So Lerato Kganyago has deleted her Twitter account after she sided with Chidimma, one of Miss South African finalists. She was on Instagram live with some music. I want you to listen to what she said.
Because it's my reputation. I would have removed myself from the pageant because I speak about, now I'm all about morals and ethics and principles.
There's over 1 million illegal immigrants in this country, destroying the country.
I wouldn't be part of an organization that is dishonest. But not my opinion, and I said, because I don't want to go into depth about this, my reputation could be on the line if it's not true. Her mom is not this, her mom is this. All the necessary requirements were met. What are we still fighting for? And I was a bit disappointed with the minister yesterday, let me tell you.
I don't know what you guys think about the statements that she said, and I want us to look at what Gayton said and also what qualifies one to be part of Miss South Africa. So Gayton said that he was outside the country and he said, I just returned from Paris and will definitely get more information tomorrow. We truly cannot have Nigerians compete in our Miss SA competition. I want to get all facts before I comment, but it gives funny vibes already. Gayton has said we can't have Nigerians, which means he has already ruled Chidimma as a Nigerian. And then someone actually commented this. He said, Gayton, you need a spokesperson before you are a minister and can't blunt out xenophobic statement like this. You need to check the Miss SA rules and entry requirements. So the rules are like this. Miss South African entrants must be South African citizens and in possession of a valid South African ID document or passport. If an applicant holds dual citizenship, they must provide details of both on the entry form. I think this is what Lerato wanted to highlight, and already people have cancelled her. I don't know, can you comment in the comment section below what you guys think about this whole situation? But I think it's escalating. It's like only a few days. Today, I think it's the 1st of August, and it's only 9 days left for her to contest. And people just want to hear her saying that she's not competing anymore. I think people are fighting really hard. I don't know what you guys think about this whole situation that is facing South Africa at the moment.